Open Adobe Illustrator. Create a new document. Type desired text using the text tool. Change a font. Select the text. Perform a right-click with the mouse and select Convert to Outlines. The text has now transformed into vector paths. Next, navigate to the object, choose a path, and proceed to click on Offset Path. Select the Pathfinder group, followed by clicking on the compound shape. Afterward, click on the None Color option in the toolbar and set the stroke size to 4. Review the final outline text. Customize further if needed.